Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you got to answer. The topic is visitors. Visitors are your relatives or friends who come to your house. We call them visitors. So my first question is, how often do you invite your friends to visit your house?
First of all, I like my elder brother, and I invite also him because he's very loves me, and I share some personal matters and.
Okay,
other
now you
things.
know topic has become elder brother. Now what's the topic? The topic is how often do you invite friends to visit your house? So focus should be on friends and visit. Now if you, for example, how often do you invite friends to visit your house? I invite my friends to visit my house every weekend. Ali is my best friend. He is a wonderful guy. I like him very much. He is my school fellow as well. We went to same school, college and university. He's a very honest man. I like him very much. What's the topic? My friend Ali. Got it? So focus should be on visit. For example, do you often invite your friends? Yes, I usually invite my friends, but mostly I invite my elder brother to my house because I feel very comfortable whenever he comes to my house, and because whenever my elder brother visits me, he brings my favorite cake as well. Therefore, I always enjoy the company of my elder brother as a visitor. Got the point? So you should not change the topic. It's not that you change the topic. Now let's go on. Do you like the visitors who come to your house?
Yes, I like because sharings are very important. Then people came your home, different things sharing with us. We and we enjoying with.
Okay, we enjoying sharing. Your grammatical range is very limited and you're not using helping verb properly. So I would advise you to learn basic tenses. That is important for you. Let's go on. How often do you visit your relatives?
Yes, I really prefer my relatives. In relatives. My brother and sister also.
See, you have not answered the question. The question is, how often do you visit your relatives? How often means frequency. And frequency means once a month, once a week, after 2 months, and then you can elaborate on that, okay? So you need to understand the question.
Okay.
What you are doing, you are changing. Your answer is irrelevant, simple. Your answer is irrelevant and your language is weak. You need to brush up your English grammar, especially 5 tenses which I mentioned, right? Thank you. Let's go on. How often do you meet your family members?
I often meet with my family members when they visit my house, or sometime I visit their house. We have get-togethers, and we have many other places where we meet up, and we really enjoy company of each other.
All right. So I usually meet my family members on weekends. Right? At the end, one sentence conclusion. Let's go on. How do you spend time with your family?
I usually spend time with my family when we are sitting in the TV lounge and watching some dramas or films, and on dining table. We really enjoyed this time.
Okay, dining table, we really enjoy this time. Grammatically, it is wrong. We are sitting and watching. That's present continuous. If I say we are sitting and watching means you're doing it right now. So instead of present continuous, try to use present simple tense. We sit and gossip. We sit and chat. Okay. Let's go on. Are you close to all your family members?
Yes, I am close with all my family members, but I really close with my.
I am close to my.
I am close to my elder daughter. She is just like my friend, and I share my emotions, feelings with my daughter, and she really understand when my mother feels sad or when my mother
Feels happy.
feels happy, she really helps me whenever I was feeling tired.
Whenever I am feeling tired.
Whenever I'm feeling tired, I think she is my best.
Okay, that's good. Grammatical errors, and whenever you use he, she, you must add s or es if it is present tense, right? And practice all these topics, you'll be fine, and you need to brush up your basic English, right? Thank you so much.